Today I'm going to walk you through how I make these dainty citrine gemstone necklaces. You're going to need raw gemstone beads, a couple flat pin heads, and an array of pliers. So round nose pliers, long nose pliers, and some wire cutters. So this is what the necklace is going to look like. Go ahead and grab that flathead pin, seat it through your gemstone bead, and I want you to pay very close attention to the position that I'm holding the pliers in at each step. So start with the pliers right up against the gemstone bead. What you're going to do is take the pin head and you're going to bend it perpendicular, so you should be making a right degree angle. From there, you can go ahead and rotate your pliers in your hand 90 degrees. This angle, you can take the wire and bend it in a circle to create the loop. Go ahead and rotate your pliers one more time back into the starting position. This will create a little gap between the pliers and the gemstone that allows you to pull the wire and wrap it all the way through, completing the loop. Go ahead and pick up your necklace. I like to put my charms directly on my necklace, that way they don't fall off, but you can also just make the loop a little bit bigger and seed them through a chain at a later point. So this is a little bit tricky, but using your long nose pliers, you're going to want to simultaneously hold on to the loop and hold on to the straight part of the wire. Then you want to hold on to both at the same time while you wrap the wire around and around, is because you don't want your loop to get like deformed. If you don't care, then it's fine, but I like my loops to look as perfect as possible. After you've wrapped it around a few times, you're going to pick up your wire cutters, do a little snip, and then just make sure that that end piece is tucked away and flattened down into the loop so it doesn't scratch anyone or catch anyone's hair. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, let me know. And if there's anything on my Instagram page that you see me make that you'd like a tutorial of, comment and I'll try to work on that for you.